Hey, what's up guys, welcome to a new video. In today's video I just kindly want to make light of the pattern that I see that people come forth with when they expose Jason Noah.
FBI, open up!
Before we go any further, I am pretty sure that you guys have seen what I have posted onto my Instagram recently. It is a fundraiser for Keaton Filander, who is currently invited to go and play golf. But the situation is that his parents got sent this letter with like 1 week space to gather this money, and this is then where I stepped in to advertise and then ask for donations and sponsorships by whoever would like to donate or sponsor. So far we have gotten people like Marco, Faiz, Stacy, Edgar, Bryce, and then as well Wealth Creatives that donated. So far we have reached 50% of our target. Keaton needs about 24,000 rand, and they got this letter on the 13th of August, and the tournament like literally starts next week. So if you can help out, if you know of anyone that can help out, if you can tag traders, if you can get anyone involved, please do so. You will find Keaton's mother's details in the description of this video, and then you can get in contact with her and find out how you can donate. Back to the video. Okay, so for those of you who are new to this channel, who hasn't seen this before, this channel has dealt with Jason Noah before. Previously, just to get you guys up to speed, previously we have spoken about Jason Noah that took 8,000 rand from Llewellyn Booysen for a one-on-one advanced training class, but Llewellyn just never got through to getting these classes, and he went to Cape Town for the initial classes. Then there was a class session that was happening in Pretoria, whereby he flew and paid accommodation on that side, and then another session happened in Cape Town now recently, which Llewellyn also attended, and Jason didn't provide what this guy paid for and what he advertised. So it's not about what this guy paid for, it's more about what Jason Noah advertised and never delivered. Now when you look at Llewellyn's case, you would think that okay, maybe this is an isolated incident, maybe this just happens once, twice, but when I give you this following case, you will actually see that this looks like a pattern. Okay, so recently I have been contacted by someone from Ghana, and seeing that this person is so far away from South Africa, I just feel really bad that this person doesn't have any direct contact or any way that he can get into contact with Jason to either A, get their money back, or B, get the services that they was promised. Now we are gonna dig deep into what is happening. I'm gonna show you guys some inbox texts that actually shows that after taking this guy's money, Jason never delivered, and then also started ignoring this guy out of nowhere. After 1 month, he then got fed up, asked for a refund, and that also didn't happen. Let's get into it. This service, you would have extended the period of mentorship, and then you would also extended the period of giving signals. Now, okay, so I'm pretty sure that some of you might sit there and ask, but what makes someone pay 8,000 rand for someone's services? Now, when you look at who Jason Noah is and the clout that Jason Noah has amassed in the forex industry, you will think that okay, maybe this 8,000 rand that he is charging is justified. But when you look at what he was offering for this 8,000 rand, you will see that it was a dud to begin with. First off, there was 8 months mentorship, and then also there was a 1 month free signals. Now these two perks I believe is good and well, but I don't believe they are worth 8,000 rand. If you was really that serious about giving someone quality service, you would have extended the period of mentorship, and then you would also extended the period of giving signals. Now like I said, Jason didn't give him what he paid for, and immediately, like, there's people that's just wired differently, right? And immediately if you see you're not getting what you want, then some people will move away immediately, someone will ask immediately for a refund. But this guy asked Jason repeatedly for about a month, if not more, for when this classes was about to happen. And eventually this guy got tired, as anyone would get tired, because Jason constantly gives dates, but then he doesn't commit to what he has said himself. He doesn't commit to the plans that he has made.
Hey Michael, bro, I hope you're well, brother. I see you live down your street. That's good. It's a small world, cause this guy's I can't believe he lives down the street, and he's involved with the Bashiri case, for the oil killing of the daughter, for sacrifices. People do a lot, bro, for these types of things. But I just want to let you know, bro, I've been taking care of business and I've been running around like a headless chicken. That's why I was so mad when I found out that, you weren't, like, when I couldn't do the classes, nobody assigned the mentor to you. That's why I was so mad. But I just need you to give me this week to finish at the office, bro. Monday night to Wednesday night. Those 3 nights is just me and you, bro.
Therefore, I believe a refund is justified because this guy got nothing. He didn't get a strategy. He didn't get a call, nothing. He literally just paid and wait for his classes to come about. Now, this guy waited about a month and Jason had a full month to clean up his act, whereby he could have fit this guy into places to give him or to be able to give him these classes. But as you guys can see on Jason's end, there's no proof that he tried. There's no proof that shows that he really made an effort. And when it comes to the Zoom call, right, there was this one time where Jason gave him the details to a Zoom call that he was supposed to join, and once he pressed on that link to join it, right, Jason said that Jason couldn't see him. He waited, and Jason couldn't see him. But the way he understands it is that Jason should have just accepted his request to join the live, which Jason never did. So I find that also a little bit highly disingenuous. And to me, people can say what they want to, but the moment things start looking like a pattern, it's just really bad. It's just really bad when you look at the fact that this is one of the most highly revered traders in South Africa, and he's out there ignoring his clients the way he is. It's just really sad, because at the end of the day, there's a lot of people, especially the young, impressionable people, that is looking up to Jason, that is looking to join his services, that is thinking, but listen, this guy got himself and his family out of financial ruin, so I'm gonna get me and my family out of financial ruin as well, not knowing that signing up for this services would push you further into financial ruin. My conclusions on this matter is simple. Previously, we have reported that Jason Noah really shows that he doesn't care. How did we see he doesn't care? Well, in the first case, we saw that Llewellyn signed up for a Cape Town class, right? They didn't get what he paid for. Jason then had a session in Pretoria. Llewellyn flew till there. He gave out extra money for accommodation. He gave out extra money for transport while he was there. And you guys should understand this now. Yesterday, me and Llewellyn had a very long conversation, and I wouldn't say very long, but we had a lengthy conversation. And one of the things that he made clear to me that really slipped my mind is that while he was that side in Pretoria, he was away from his family. He was spending money outside of his home, money that could have been spent inside his home. And him giving out this money, this was him thinking that he's gonna create a better future for himself and for his loved ones. But in the end, going to Pretoria, giving out money for accommodation, giving out money for transport, having gone through all of that stress, because remember, you're in a new place, you don't know anyone, you have to look out for the sources, you have to think of getting robbed, you have to think of getting into the wrong Uber, you have to think about getting dropped off at the wrong address, and all of that, going through all of that stress, right? And then still being willing to go to the classes that Jason had in Cape Town after that, still being willing to go to classes after that. That just shows that there was a whole lot of dedication from the client's end, but no dedication at all from Jason's end, because on every single time, the client met Jason 100% fully when it came to payment and when it came to meeting Jason at the venue. But on both cases here, we can see that Jason keeps on making excuses and then not delivering what he advertised and what he promised he would deliver. Now, when you liken how Llewellyn has spent money running around, chasing Jason, going to wherever Jason's classes was, and liken that to the way that this guy was constantly texting him, was constantly inquiring about when his class was going down. And the thing is, at this point, the only thing that can be determined from this client is that he is dedicated to learn. And at this point, the only thing that can be concluded out of Jason's actions is that Jason isn't keen to teach him, despite having this guy's money and despite knowing that this guy should get services from him. So in conclusion, previously I've spoken around the bush, but now when you look at the pattern, you cannot avoid it anymore. More and more, Jason seems like a scammer. So at the end of the day, guys, it doesn't matter who you are going to go sign up. It doesn't matter how this person looks. It doesn't matter what color their car is. It doesn't matter how much their house is. When you go to someone, please make sure of your case. Please make sure that the guy that you are signing up to is gonna give you exactly what was advertised to you, and that also exactly what you are expecting him to give you. Do not go in with false expectations. Do not go in with the idea that this guy has a lot of money, so I should respect him, I should respect what he says, I should respect the way he handles me. Do not ever go into a situation with that idea, because then you're already selling yourself short. If you came this far, I really appreciate it. Please do smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Please do leave your comments in the comment section, because I'm pretty keen to hear at this point what everyone thinks about Jason, that's like just constantly absconding his responsibilities to clients that have paid. And then also please do share this around, because I believe the more people know about scams and the more people know about scam tactics, the less people will get scammed. If you're new here, I welcome you to my channel. Please do smash that subscribe button so that you can always stay updated on new videos. On that note, ladies and gentlemen, I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.